Welcome to another update video on the 0 to 1 Bitcoin challenge. In today's video, I will show you all the numbers for the month of May. This so far has been one of the most brutal months for this challenge, simply because Bitcoin has been crashing over the last couple of weeks and it has caused a big dip in this challenge. And I'm about to show you exactly what happened. But before we get to the numbers, this is the challenge where I'm trying to earn one entire Bitcoin through multiple platforms online. The goal is very simple, and it is to accumulate as much Bitcoin every single month that I possibly can. And once I reach an entire Bitcoin, this challenge will be over. But we are definitely far away from reaching that goal. So I'm using the Go mining platform, I'm using the Gemini Bitcoin Credit Card, and recently I started playing another crypto mining game that allows me to earn some Bitcoin. Let's start out with the Go mining platform. The Go mining platform is a Bitcoin mining platform where you buy these NFTs and they mine Bitcoin for you every single day. Right now I have 590 terahash, my discount is 5.92 and my efficiency is 15. For the month of May, I have been averaging just over $20 a day worth of Bitcoin, and these are my miners. And now we are going to upgrade my greedy machine so we can earn even more. We're going to press custom, we're going to select other, and we are going to enter in 15 terahashes. The ROI for this upgrade will be over 26%. It will cost me 673 Go mining tokens, which is about $180. So we are going to press pay. We are going to confirm, and within a matter of seconds our power is upgraded. As you can see, my greedy machine currently has 498.98 terahashes. One more upgrade and we are going to be over that 500 mark. That brings my total hashing power to 605.66 terahashes. Another goal of the channel is to get the power to 1000 terahashes. The other way that I'm earning Bitcoin is with the Gemini credit card. This credit card, instead of giving you points or cash back, it gives you back a crypto. You'll be able to earn 4% back on gas, EV, and transit, 3% on dining, 2% on groceries, and 1% on everything else. Here in a second, I'll show you exactly how much I have earned for the month of May with this card. It is powered by MasterCard, and there are no annual fees or foreign transaction fees. So this is a great travel credit card as well. Best of all, you'll be accumulating crypto with no annual fee at all. Also, with this credit card, you can earn Bitcoin and over 50 different cryptocurrencies, and you get to choose which style you want. You have multiple colors and logos as well, such as Solana, XRP, and BTC. But it doesn't matter which style you choose, you're still going to get all the amazing benefits as well. Also, if you want to get this credit card and you want to get some extra free crypto, make sure to use that link in the description box below. A new crypto game I recently started playing is called ByPet. This is a simple game where you simply accumulate pets, you grow vegetables on your farm in order to feed your pets, and you earn Bitcoin. Obviously, with this game, you're not going to make thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin every single month, but every little bit counts, especially when it comes to accumulating satoshis. So I will continue to play this game, and once I start cashing out, I will let you guys know how much I'll be earning with this game. Also, I spend a ton of time on my mobile phone anyway, but now I can be playing the game and earn some extra satoshis as well. And now that you know how I'm earning most of the crypto, let me show you exactly how much I have earned for the month of May. This video is brought to you by I Trust Capital. Crypto is one of the greatest wealth building opportunities of our generation, and the IRS wants 30% of every gain. That is not a fee, that is a gut punch. What if you could legally pay zero? That's exactly what I Trust Capital is built for. It is a self-directed IRA platform that lets you trade crypto, even gold and silver, completely tax-free inside of a Roth IRA. Every dollar of profit stays with you. We are talking 90 plus cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, tradable 24/7. You can stake inside of your IRA to earn passive rewards, tax sheltered, or you can diversify straight into physical gold and silver, all from one clean dashboard. Zero setup fees, zero monthly fees. Your assets are secured by Coinbase custody, institutional grade, just a flat 1% transaction fee. That's it. Stop donating your profits to the IRS. Click the link below, open your iTrust Capital account, and start building tax-free crypto wealth today. Also, if you use that link below, you are going to get a $100 funding bonus as well. And now let's get back to the video. As you can see, I started in June 2025. First month, I made $72 worth of Bitcoin. Then every month after, it started increasing. And the best month so far has been in October of 2025, where I made a whopping $2,200 worth of Bitcoin. And now let's fast forward all the way till May. So for the month of May, I made 0.0087 Bitcoin with the Go mining platform. Then I made 0.0042 with the Gemini credit card. I haven't cashed out yet from the ByPet game simply because I just started playing it, but hopefully for the month of June I will cash out, and I'll show you exactly how much that will be. So for the month of May, I made a whopping 0.0091250 Satoshis, and that is equivalent to $577.06 worth of Bitcoin. But here's the total amount of Bitcoin that I have accumulated so far, which is 0.11823473, and at the current value, that is only $7,484.58. If we look at the previous month, the value was $8,720. Even though I made almost $600 in Bitcoin for the month of May, the value dropped over $1,200. So we went from 87 to 74. I can't control the price of Bitcoin. It will definitely fluctuate, and I do expect to see even bigger swings in the future. So 7,400 this month, it might be 6,000 the next month, or it might be 8,000 or 9,000 the following month. Who knows? But the goal is still the same, and that is to accumulate one entire Bitcoin. We're getting closer and closer. Obviously, it will take some time. So I also made this quick little chart to show you guys the progress. Every single month, I am tracking the results. As you can see, we are getting closer and closer to that $10,000 mark. Having a simple visual like this definitely encourages me to earn more Bitcoin. Simply seeing the progress and seeing it go higher and higher is definitely motivating. So if this little challenge interests you and you want to see me get to 1 Bitcoin, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to start your own challenge using these platforms, I will have all the links in the description box below. That is all I have for this quick little update video. If you have any questions, drop those in the comment section below. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.